Alright friends, in this session we will learn how to define and use functions inside a class. So for understanding this, we need to understand first the role of self keyword. For example, if we want to calculate the area, let's change our class name. I made it room, and then let's define it. Let's define some properties. I can define short side and long side. Short side is 3 meters, for example, and long side is 5 meters. So if I want to calculate the area, I define a function inside the class using def keyword. My method name, my function name can be calculate area, and then inside the parentheses, this directly comes self, you see. Self directly comes. Why? I can reach these objects using self. So inside the function, if I want to print the area, let's write some string, the area of the room, and then I put my comma and I calculate right now. Using self notation, I reach these objects, and as you remember, if I want to reach this property, what I need to do, I need to put dot notation. After putting, I can reach all properties and methods inside this function. You see short side, long side, and calculate area. Self dot short side multiply by self dot long side. So if I want to call this function, I will print the area of the room on the screen. So let's create an object. My object name can be my room, and then I need to create an instance of that class. For doing this, I just say room. I correct this. What I need to do, I need to call this function. So my room, I put my dot notation. Right now I can reach calculate area. I call this function inside the class. If I run it, you see the area of the room is 9. No, because I multiply short side plus short side, I need to do long side. I run it again. You see the area of the room is 15. Here, the most important thing is self. Self allows methods to refer to the object's properties. So without self, you cannot access class properties inside methods. If I take it back, you see I got an error. If I take it back, if I run it without self, I get an error. You see name short side is not defined. It's same logic. Here I created an instance of that class and I create an object. What's my object? Is my room. I can reach all properties, all the methods. And inside the function, if I want to reach all properties, all the methods, what I need to do? I need to use self keyword. Super. See you in the next lesson.